These two tools must be the most commonly used tools in Photoshop. Hand tool can help you move the entire canvas. It is such a frequent request that there are 3 shortcuts to do so. Don't drag this bar around, it's not efficient at all. 1. You can go to the toolbar, then use the hand tool, or use shortcut H to do so. 2. In most cases, when you want to use the hand tool, you are probably using other tools. You don't want to find the hand tool, then switch it back. You can just hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool. 3. And my personal favorite is using a multi-touch trackpad. You can use 2 fingers to move the canvas directly. If you hold the hand tool in the toolbar, there will be a rotate view tool. You can drag and rotate your canvas into any angle or hold Shift to rotate 15 degrees every time. Also, you can just put in the rotation angle in the operation bar of your rotate view tool. Anytime you hit reset, your canvas will be back to normal. As always, a multi-touch trackpad will save you a lot. Just below the hand tool, we have the zoom tool. The shortcut is Z. It can zoom your canvas in and out. You can choose zoom in or zoom out, then click the canvas to zoom. When you are in zoom in, you can hold Option or Alt to switch to zoom out. One way around, when you are in zoom out, hold Option or Alt to switch to zoom in. Another easier way, for Mac, you can also try Command plus or Command minus. For PC, it's Control plus or Control minus. By default, when you are using Zoom tool, click and drag the mouse is to enlarging a certain area. But if you check the scrubby zoom, click and drag the mouse to the left will be zooming out, and drag to the right will be zooming in. Once again, I love trackpads better. And you can always right-click to choose a zoom option. Shortcuts for Mac are Command 1 for 100% view and Command 0 for fit on screen. For PC, it will be Control 1 and Control 0. All hand tools or zoom tools don't make any changes to the file. It doesn't matter if you drag your canvas to any position, zoom in or out, rotate any angle. The file will still remain its original states. Imagining yourself holding a painting and simply observing the painting from different positions doesn't make any changes to the painting itself. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.